Dedicated to providing the high-quality products, Kavy has been one of the leading ignition coil manufacturer in China since 2006. Persistent innovation, advanced equipment lean management, Kavy is now with an annual output of 6.8 million pieces, 700 items and more than 95% product coverage to meet the different application from American cars, European cars, Japanese and Korean cars and domestic cars. Design and engineering. Each coil development before production begins starts with advanced simulation and modeling tools. Kavy's engineering team develops and evaluates scores of alternatives before the final optimal design. We consider which raw materials to use could be the best, the layout of internal components, manufacturing feasibility, quality and performance requirements. Prototypes are produced for extensive testing as well as all evaluations. Only when premium reliability and performance is put through testing can our production begin. Manufacturing. Kavy, a professional ignition coil expert, engineers and manufactures ignition coils in our highly automated factory. Here, Vision System, the world's leading automation machine for injection, potting, curing, welding, combined with continuous focus on process control, eliminate variation and mistakes, enable us to provide the superb quality products to our customers. Mold and Plastic Injection Workshop. With an exceptional design and engineering capability, Kavy builds our own molds, ensures precise specification from the very beginning. By introducing the world's advanced plastic injection machine combined with our high-standard raw material like BASF plastics, Kavy could provide excellent resistance and long-lasting electrical mechanical stability of ignition coils. Assembly line. Kavy keeps Bosch and Delphi's process standards. High advanced automatic assembly lines and robot hands are adopted in our assembly workshop. Epoxy Resin Potting Workshop. In the full automatic epoxy resin potting workshop, high dielectric epoxy resin like Kyocera is injected into the case and pulled into a vacuum to eliminate air pockets and prevent moisture intrusion or thermal breakdown. Quality control. To ensure high quality, all products manufactured at our IATF 16949 and ISO 9001 certified system undergo extensive measurement and life testing, in addition to a full range of environmental analysis that includes thermal shocks, thermal cycling, salt spray and vibration tests, etc. During the mass production, Kavy insists a three-step quality control: raw material inspection, process control and 100% finished products inspection. One-stop service and efficient communication. Not only to provide high-quality products, Kavy offers our customers a one-stop service from products design, testing, purchasing to shipment with efficient communication. Kavy aims to work hand-in-hand with our employees, suppliers and customers to provide premium products that answer the needs of the consumers in terms of price and quality.